Hi. Now what you're seeing on my screen right now is the Google Drive. I have a file here named image1.jpg. I want to send this file to someone who do not have access to this Google Drive. In this video, I will show you how to share this file to anyone who do not have access to the Google Drive. Hi, welcome to Teach Me K channel. If you are watching my video for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel to stay updated with my videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video. Now let's get started. The first step, now if I want to share any file, I will just show you with an example of what file I have here, image1.jpg. You will see a 3 dots in vertical fashion at the right end of the image here. Click on that. Once you click on that, you will see something called as a copy link in one of the options list here. Click on the copy link. Now once you have copied it, you could either go to email or WhatsApp or any other sharing social platforms. You could just paste the link there and you could share to the person whom you want to have access. But before sharing the file to anyone, there is an important step that you have to follow. In the second option here, you will see something called as manage people and links. This setting is required whenever you want the particular person whom you are sending the file, what is the intention to do. Here in the Google Drive, we have some list of options. Just click on the link settings, anyone with a link, and here anyone with a link I have selected as they can be a viewer. Just click on the down arrow that you see here. It provides you 3 options here. One is viewer, commenter and editor. You could choose any of these options whenever you are sending the file. Now in case if I want the person only to view the file whatever I'm sharing with him, I will choose it as viewer and then go back and you could share this file by copying the link. Now when I have copied the link from the Google Drive, I will just go to Gmail here and I will just paste the link that I have copied here, and I could just select the email ID to whom I intend to send this file. So I will just select that recipient here and I could add a subject and I could send this email. Similarly, you could also paste this link by going to WhatsApp or any other social platforms and you could paste the link that you have copied and you could share this link to the intended person to whom you want to send it to. Alternative to the one option that we saw now by copying the link of the file that we want to share it to, there is one more way that you could share this file to the intended person who you want to. Click on the 3 dots here that you see at the right end of the file, and the first option that you see here, something called as share, click on that and it opens up the share window. On the add people or groups, you could just add the email ID of the intended person whom you want to share this file, and at the bottom you will see an option called as editor, which is selected by default, and you could select what is the intended person has to do. I will select it as viewer, and then you could add some message here and you could click on the send button. The file would be sent for viewing for the intended person whom I have shared via email. That's it for this video. I hope you understood how to share the file via 2 methods from the Google Drive. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thank you. Bye-bye.